Hi, I'm Hunter with Foundation Technologies, and this is the CageCaster. The CageCaster is a steel frame centralizer that ties to the outside of your rebar cage to provide a clearance from the outside of the rebar to the inside of the shaft. The CageCaster is different from other options because of the durability and the strength that it produces. The installation of the CageCaster is incredibly simple. Set it across multiple bars, you tie it off with your tie wire, and allows that cage to be heavily reinforced via the CageCaster. The CageCaster comes in two options, non-plated or plated if your project requires a galvanization spec. The sizes of the CageCasters go from 2.5 inches to 6 inches, or we can customize different sizes above that if needed. If you have any questions on the CageCaster, what size to use, give me a call at Foundation Technologies, and we'd love to help you to get the best CageCaster for the project you need.